The TVS Apache RR 310 stands as one of the most striking and performance-focused motorcycles in its class. Designed with inputs from BMW Motorrad, it carries a premium look with sharp, aggressive lines and a full fairing that enhances aerodynamics. The signature bio-LED projector headlights and sculpted fuel tank add to its sporty appeal, making it as eye-catching on the street as it is on the track. The RR 310 isn't just about looks, it's about presence and precision, offering riders a sense of pride every time they ride. Powering the Apache RR 310 is a 312cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers a thrilling blend of performance and refinement. With a maximum output of around 34 horsepower, the bike can sprint quickly while still maintaining smoothness. The 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch ensures crisp shifts, giving riders both control and confidence. Whether cruising on highways or carving corners, the RR 310 responds with agility and excitement. The RR 310 is also packed with technology that enhances the riding experience. A fully digital TFT instrument cluster provides clear information and supports ride modes, including sport, urban, rain, and track. These modes allow the rider to adapt performance based on conditions, balancing power, delivery, and safety. Dual-channel ABS ensures strong braking performance, while the trellis frame and upside-down front forks provide stability, making the bike versatile for daily rides and spirited weekend runs alike. What truly sets the Apache RR 310 apart is its balance of everyday usability and sporty DNA. It offers the thrill of a performance motorcycle without sacrificing comfort. Thanks to its ergonomic seating and vibration control, riders get a premium experience at an accessible price point, making it a standout option in the entry-level sports bike category. With its combination of striking design, advanced features, and engaging performance, the Apache RR 310 earns its place as a machine built for those who demand style and substance in equal measure.